Okay, In-N-Out Burger. You ever been there?
I sure have.
You have?
Yes, I
have not.
Out in the West Coast.
West Coast. I got to go there. All right. So they're facing a new lawsuit alleging religious discrimination and wrongful termination. And the case is raising fresh questions about how workplaces should accommodate employees' religious beliefs.
According to a lawsuit obtained by TMZ, former In-N-Out cook Ariana Rodriguez says she worked at the company's location in Long Beach, California for nearly 5 years without scheduling problems until a new manager arrived in October.
Rodriguez says attending church on Sundays became a reoccurring workplace conflict. She claims that she was written up for the first time, complained to management about her schedule and alleged unfair treatment. She says that she was ultimately fired July 3rd following an investigation into an alleged food-related policy violation.
Rodriguez also claims other employees had engaged in similar conduct without being suspended or fired. She's now suing, alleging religious discrimination and wrongful termination, among other claims.
Now, under the law, employers generally must reasonably accommodate sincerely held religious practices unless doing so creates an undue hardship, and then there's precedent. In 2025, P.F. Chang's agreed to an $8,000 settlement over alleging involving an applicant seeking Sundays off for religious reasons.
An IHOP franchise also settled a similar case in 2024 after a Christian cook was allegedly fired over Sunday scheduling. And earlier this year, the EEOC sued a Chick-fil-A franchisee over allegations involving a worker seeking Saturdays off for the Sabbath.
Ironically, In-N-Out is owned by a deeply religious Christian family and is known for putting Bible verses on some packaging, leaving many curious as to how the company will respond.
Joining us now to discuss, federal criminal defense attorney and constitutional law attorney Ronald Chapman.
This person says that, for 5 years or so, she didn't have an issue. She was doing her thing Sundays, the new manager comes in, and all of a sudden there are problems. Ronald, what do you think?
Well, I've never been into an In-N-Out, but I did take a look at the lawsuit. And from what I understand, for 5 years, they were able to give her Sundays off until the new manager changed, as you said. And that change tells us that an accommodation would not be unreasonable in this case, and I think seals the deal for In-N-Out, unfortunately. Now, despite the fact that they're a very Christian organization, or at least the owners are, this location may be ruled or managed by somebody who doesn't have as much respect for the Christian faith. I would expect, if In-N-Out is a respectable Christian organization, that they terminate that manager immediately, settle this lawsuit out, and make sure that this person can get their Sundays off as constitutionally required. There's no such thing as an unreasonable request on Sundays when you're a large fast food chain and you've got plenty of staff. I think that this case should be settled pretty quickly.
Right.
We'll all have to check out In-N-Out. Never had it. Heard it's good.
Yeah, it's worth it.
It's delicious. It's delicious.
It is.
Very good.
Yeah.
Jay, Ronald, appreciate you both. Good to see you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Good to see you.